guys, today I brought this out. And let's start with sing, ring, long, bank, string, typing, moving, reading, morning, interesting, I'm hungry, good morning, I've been waiting for a long time. How long have you been studying English? Nice. Tell, mail, help, cool, long, collect, difficult, already, people, 11, I'll call you later. Lina doesn't feel well. What's this sleep problem? Don't eat a large meal late at night. Thank you for watching the video.